Hi, Margaret. Yeah, there's a couple things you need to do. First, let's get rid of the style width of this right here. That's going to restrict it to 1020 pixels no matter what. Okay, next is you are in a column small 10, which is kind of what I figured you want it to be because you want to have something on the side here, right? And then you want the full screen slider on the other side, okay? Well, what's also happening here is if we scroll up above here, we need to find the container. See this where you have section 1 here, you got the content left. The container is a maximum width of 1170 pixels. Remove the container, so remove just this class name right here, and then what will happen is the slider itself will be able to expand out to the full width. You may need to resize your pictures, I'm not sure, but those are the two things that are restricting it from going full width. Just give you a quick example using Firebug. Here's your picture. It ends right there. Let's get rid of the container. Okay, see how it expands out there? And then we do the image and like so. Okay, so that's one thing. Oh, the other thing was the 10, whatever it was down here. We've got to get rid of this style right here, right? So we use Firebug and we use inspect element with Firebug, and okay, that gets rid of that. Now the pictures themselves, how big are they? That's what I'm wondering. Right, and what I did is use Firebug here and I sort of travel up the list and we get to a point where it says height 500, width 945. Now the only way that can do that is an element, as it's either programmed through JavaScript or physically image size is attached to the picture itself. When I say physically, we go into the code here. Let's go find that in the code, and there's a background image right there. And you see you have the SL content wrapper style width 945, height 500. That needs to be removed, and let's just figure out where that's coming from there. So I'll have to, do I have a page source open here? Yeah, so what I'm thinking is it's actually just taking the image size, the default image size, so you might need some larger images if you wanted to fill out the space. That's what you got going on there. Now, I wasn't sure what you meant about the side logo here on mobile, like what you want to buy, like what you were hoping to do with it. I've got it squished down there, but there's your pics there, the thumbs all kind of squished in. Menu side, left, it's a column small, so it's in there with the logo image. I would definitely probably float the image, the logo image. I'd float the logo image left for mobile, right? Because it's right now it's nope, because then we lose some of the height. That's not going to work. The other thing is if you wanted this up higher, is you could target the. Okay, so you have a div class here of menu side wrapper. You could use a media query and basically say on, max width of say 500, you could have a margin top on this, but then it's going to run over your logo. I don't know what you could do actually with the way the logo and the buttons are set up for mobile. I don't really know what you can do aside from resizing or having a smaller logo, just because the way the logo is situated. Right, because no matter what you do, these buttons are going to run into it. So I wasn't sure what you wanted to do with the buttons, so I'll leave it at that and see if you have some information for me.